My dear students, let us start. This is the second part of second lesson. So in this one, our first topic is control panel. Okay, so this is control panel. What it does, so as the name suggests, it controls the various resources of the computer, right? You may consider it as a mechanic, as we have mechanic to repair our cycle, motorcycle, car, okay, vehicles. Same, this control panel is a mechanic for the computer. Okay, so we can manage the resources by the help of this control panel. So question is how to open that. So it is very simple. Click on the start button, you will see this option here, control panel. You can also type in the search bar, okay, control panel. Okay, when you open that, so you will see this option. You can also change to small icons, large icons, and then small icons. These are the category wise icons. Okay, so it is very small view in this. So next is how to change the appearance of the windows. In this you are interested that appearance in the sense desktop background, font colors, font styles, window color, sounds, etc. Okay, so these things we can do in that appearance, to changing the appearance. So what to do, you have to click, you have to choose this option first. Okay, appearance and personalization. So among that option you have to choose the personalization. See here, appearance and personalization, and you have to choose personalization. And this, in this one there is a one more, change the window color. Okay, so we can choose there. Whenever we click on this personalization option and we choose that, so one more window will get open. So what is that window? So this is that window. So by the help of this you can change the theme. Okay, you can see here background, window color, desktop background, sound, screensaver, and these are the themes. Okay, next, how to customize the taskbar. What is the taskbar? So first see what is taskbar. Here computer option is not coming. So here this customizing the taskbar. So meaning of customizing means you can change as per your, okay, your choice. Okay, then taskbar. Taskbar is the bar which is located at the bottom of the window. Whenever you open that whenever you open that computer, you can see there is a taskbar downside. There is a start button, time, here many more, window explorer, internet explorer, many more other softwares. So this is the taskbar. So we want to customize in the sense what if things we want to keep here. This is customize, means what things we want to keep here. We can make it possible by our choice. So how to make it open? So you can see you have to again go to that appearance and personalization, same option in which we have gone earlier, right? In this one we have to choose that taskbar and start menu, right? So you can see this option. Further to explain this is the taskbar and start menu. So if you click over here, so you will see this window. Okay, so here you can see there are two options: auto hide the taskbar, right, and use arrow peek option to preview the desktop. So what will happen in this two option? In this auto hide the taskbar means if you bring your mouse cursor downside, then only it will get appear. If you remove the mouse cursor, so it will disappear. So this is the work of auto hide the taskbar. Okay, in case of arrow peek option, whatever windows will get open on your screen, that will become transparent. Suppose you have opened MS Word, MS Paint, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, all are opening. But if you choose this option, what will happen? All the windows whatever you have opened will be transparent, will become transparent, and then you will see the desktop screen. Okay, you can further make it change, it's no problem. Okay, so you can see that all the open windows will become the transparent, allowing us to peek into our desktop and see it. It means we can see that. Next is configuring date and time. You can see whenever you open that, so bottom of the taskbar you can see date and time, right side bottom corner. So you can make it change if something is going to wrong. Okay, something is going wrong, so you can make it change. How to change that? So you have to follow these steps. Some steps are given. Same, you have to open control panel, and now this time you have to choose the clock, language and reason option. Okay, then date and time, and then change date and time, and then you can change it. So let us see that practically by the help of image. So this is clock, language and reason. From this you have to choose the date and time, this date and time. Okay, and then here you can change date and time. As per this you can change date as well as time, and then okay, finally it will get changed and it will be reflected to your system. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching. In next part we will discuss this configuring the mouse. Okay.